Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to file IRS Form 8958, also known as the Community Property Allocation Form. So this form is used when married couples or registered domestic partners live in a community property state and file separate tax returns. It helps split income, deductions, and taxes correctly between both partners. So this is important because the IRS needs to see how everything is divided, not just the total amounts. So let's walk through it step by step. So at the top of the form, you'll enter your name, your spouse or partner's name, and both social security numbers. Make sure everything matches your tax return exactly to avoid issues later. Next, you'll see three main columns. Column A is for the total amount of income or tax item. Column B is the portion allocated to one spouse, and column C is the portion allocated to other. The totals in columns B and C should always add up to column A. Now, starting with line 1, this is for wages. You'll list each employer separately, enter the total wages in column A, and then divide the amount between both spouses in columns B and C. Line 2 is for interest income, and line 3 is for dividends. The process here is the same. List each source, write the totals, then split it accordingly. And line 4 is for the state income tax refunds, and line 5 is for self-employment income. Again, enter the total first, then allocate it between both sides. Line 6 covers capital gains or losses, and line 7 is for pension income. Just follow the same pattern for each line. And line 8 is for rents, royalties, partnerships, estates, or trusts. Then line 9 and 10 deal with self-employment tax and the deductible part of it. On line 11, you'll enter taxes withheld, and on line 12, include any other items like social security benefits or unemployment income. As you fill this out, just remember the key detail or the key idea here. Total first, then divide it correctly between both parties. Once everything is complete, attach this form to your tax return before filing, and that is it. That is how you file IRS Form 8958 step by step. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.